Hello guys, so finally everything is complete. Now I just need to connect all of the machines. We've made an additional hole for the ventilation on the opposite side of the room, so it will go from the main entrance. And hopefully it will be enough with this one and the other hole. It's the intake, and the extractor is going to take the hot air out. I'm gonna connect everything, switch on all of the rigs and all of the ASICs, wait for like an hour, and I will come back and I will check what's the temperature. And for me to do that, I'm gonna use that my Strom, I think it's called. It's a smart wall plug which shows the temperature, and I will also be able to connect everything from home without coming here because it's pretty far from Geneva. I did a little bit of cable management, since I was telling you that it's one of the important things in mining, because you don't want your cables to be everywhere basically, and everything, all of the cables are underneath the ceiling, which is easy, and they're not going to be under your legs when you're walking. So yeah, right now I just need to fix this one and we're almost done. Then I will connect everything. I thought it would be much faster. Okay, now it's secured. Alright, I'm going to place mining rig on the top shelf, since it produces a lot of heat and most of the heat goes up. I don't want it to be at the bottom, because then it will heat up the shelves over here. This one is not actually practical because it's made of metal. I'm not sure if I should use it, but so far since I have it, I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna place the mining rig here, another one here, and all of the ASIC miners are going to be at the bottom. Alright guys, so far I've done everything what I wanted. The ASICs are here. I'm not putting my mining rig on the second shelf due to the problem with it. I'm not sure why, but I can see that everything is working. GPUs, motherboard, everything is working, but I don't see it online on HiveOS. So I was trying to reset it, restart it. It didn't work. So I will need to dive into it so I can understand what exactly it is, what can cause that problem. Maybe some of you know, so you can share it, write it in the comments underneath the video. Let's first switch on the turbine here. Okay, it's on. Now I'm gonna connect the extractor. Now we're going to switch on the ASICs. Okay, so the mining rig is not working as well as the A10. Because I need to configure the smart plug. So far what I ended up doing is I removed the smart plug, since it was affecting the work of the device connected to it, by lowering their voltage level, as well as it was switching itself off when the temperature was rising to 35 degrees Celsius. I managed to fix the issue with HiveOS by unplugging flash drive with operating system and plugging it back. The temperature in the room was 23 degrees Celsius, and after an hour with all machines working, it went up to 39 degrees, which is a little bit high, and now we will need to think about something which can bring it down. In my next video I will share with you my stats and long-term review of Goldshell KD2, which a lot of you were asking me in the comments, so yeah, I'm gonna bring it to you in my next video. Have a good mining guys, bye bye.